Hi, welcome back, beautiful. Today we shall discuss the power of meditation, unlocking the secrets to a healthier mind and life. Imagine a world where you could escape the noise, stress, and chaos of daily life with just a few minutes of your time. A world where the mind, instead of being a whirlpool of worry and distraction, becomes a sanctuary of peace, focus, and clarity. That world is not a distant dream, it exists within the practice of meditation. If you've never experienced it, get ready for a journey, because meditation has the power to transform your life in ways you never imagined possible. At its core, meditation is the art of sitting quietly, closing your eyes, and focusing your attention inwards. It sounds simple, right? But the benefits it brings are profound, mind-boggling even. Science and ancient wisdom have both united to reveal that meditation isn't just a fleeting moment of calm, it's a gateway to unlocking your mind's full potential, and it's no longer a practice reserved for monks or spiritual gurus. It's for you, for everyone who's willing to take a step towards mental wellness, clarity, and personal growth. The mental shift, from chaos to calm. Picture your brain as a bustling city, with endless thoughts, distractions, and worries racing through the streets. Now, imagine meditation as the ultimate traffic control, guiding the flow of your thoughts with precision and ease. One of the most incredible benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. When we meditate, our bodies activate the parasympathetic nervous system, triggering the rest and digest response and counteracting the harmful effects of stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, regular practice helps create a more resilient mind, capable of handling life's inevitable challenges without succumbing to anxiety or overwhelm. And that's just the beginning. Through meditation, we can develop mindfulness, a sharp, acute awareness of the present moment that allows us to observe our thoughts without judgment. Rather than spiraling into negative thought patterns, we learn to simply notice them, acknowledge them, and let them pass. This shift in perspective is liberating. You stop being controlled by your thoughts, and instead, you become the observer, the one in control. It's the ultimate mental freedom. The scientific backing. Meditation is a mind-body miracle. It's not just anecdotal fluff. There is real science to back up the magic of meditation. Research has shown that regular practice can literally rewire your brain. MRI scans have revealed that long-term meditators have increased gray matter in regions of the brain associated with memory, emotional regulation, and self-awareness. In other words, meditation physically changes the structure of your brain, making it more adept at managing emotions, improving focus, and cultivating a sense of inner peace. But the benefits don't stop at the mental. Meditation has a profound impact on the body as well. Studies have linked consistent meditation to lower blood pressure, improved immune function, and even increased lifespan. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, meditation strengthens the body's ability to fight disease, recover from illness, and maintain overall health. Imagine feeling better physically, mentally, and emotionally, all at once. Meditation is your ticket to that holistic well-being. Emotional transformation. Cultivating a peaceful heart. For many, meditation is not just about quieting the mind, it's about healing the heart. Emotions like anger, sadness, fear, and frustration can build up over time, weighing us down and affecting our relationships. Meditation gives us the tools to process and release these emotions with grace, rather than suppressing or ignoring them. It creates space for self-compassion and acceptance, allowing us to respond to life's challenges with a calm, clear mind and an open heart. Additionally, mindfulness meditation has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. By teaching us to live in the present moment, without dwelling on past regrets or future worries, meditation helps us break free from the mental traps that cause emotional distress. Over time, the practice fosters a deep sense of gratitude, joy, and emotional resilience, making it easier to navigate life's ups and downs with a sense of inner balance. The practical perks: enhanced focus, creativity, and productivity. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits. In our fast-paced, multitasking world, it's easy to feel like we're constantly spinning our wheels without making real progress. This is where meditation works its magic. By training your mind to focus, meditation sharpens your ability to concentrate on the task at hand. It's like giving your brain a much needed workout, strengthening its capacity to filter out distractions and stay on task. But the perks don't end with focus. Meditation also enhances creativity. When you quiet the mind, you make space for new ideas, insights, and solutions to emerge naturally. Many successful people, from artists to entrepreneurs, swear by meditation as a tool for unlocking their creative potential. Whether you are looking for fresh ideas, innovative solutions, or just the ability to think outside the box, meditation can be the key that unlocks the floodgates of inspiration. Meditation, a daily ritual for a life of fulfillment. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine doesn't require hours of your day. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of practice can bring profound changes to your life. Whether you meditate first thing in the morning to set the tone for your day or take a few minutes throughout the day to recenter, the practice becomes an anchor amidst the storms of life. The more you meditate, the more you'll begin to notice subtle shifts, greater clarity, a deeper sense of peace, and a more positive outlook on life. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with distractions, where our minds are often overloaded with noise and information, meditation offers us a sanctuary, a place to retreat, recharge, and realign with ourselves. It's not just a practice, it's a gift, one that unlocks a healthier, more focused, and more fulfilled version of yourself. So, the next time life feels too overwhelming or you feel disconnected from your own peace, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Meditate. Discover the transformative power that lies within. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you.